What if I told you that this coming weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you could make $500 in cash without spending a single dollar to start? No investment, no experience, no special skills, just your phone, your laptop, and 2 days of focused action. I know that sounds impossible. I know you've heard promises like this before and been disappointed. But what I'm about to share with you is different, because these are methods that real people used last weekend to make real money. And I'm going to walk you through exactly how to copy them step by step. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Wealth Flip, the channel where we turn your spare time into serious cash. Today's video is different from anything we've done before because we're not talking about long-term strategies or passive income that takes months to build. Today is about speed. Today is about making money. This weekend, not next month, not next year. Right now. These methods are fast, beginner-friendly, and require zero upfront investment. If you're tired of waiting to start making money online, this video is for you. Let's go. Saturday morning, starting 9 a.m. Here's exactly what you do. Go to Fiverr.com and create a free account. Now create your first gig offering one of these services: AI content writing, social media captions, product descriptions, or email newsletters. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help you deliver amazing work fast. Price your gig at $15 to $30 for beginners. Write a compelling gig description explaining exactly what you'll deliver. Add a professional-looking thumbnail using Canva. Completely free. Then share your gig link in Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and LinkedIn. Within 24 hours, you can have your first order. One writer did this exact process on a Saturday morning and had 3 orders by Sunday evening, earning $75 in your first 48 hours. Not $500 yet, but we're just getting started. Saturday afternoon, 1 p.m. While waiting for Fiverr orders, open Gumroad.com, completely free to use. Create and list one simple digital product. The fastest digital products to create are resume templates, budget spreadsheets, social media caption packs, and meal planning guides. Use AI to write the content in minutes. Use Canva to design it beautifully. Price it between $7 and $27. Then share the link everywhere, your WhatsApp contacts, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit groups related to your topic. Even if just 5 people buy your $17 product this weekend, that's $85 extra dollars in your pocket. And unlike a freelance job, that product keeps selling forever after this weekend. Saturday evening, 5 p.m. This is where the real money starts. Open Instagram or LinkedIn and find 20 small local businesses, restaurants, salons, gyms, boutiques, real estate agents. Look at their social media pages. Most of them are either posting very rarely or posting low quality content. Send them a simple direct message. Say exactly this: "Hi, I noticed your business could benefit from more consistent social media posting. I help small businesses like yours attract more customers through Instagram and Facebook. I can manage your account for just $150 this month. Would you be interested in a quick call?" Send this to 20 businesses. If even 2 say yes, that's $300 right there. Add it to your Fiverr earnings and digital product sales and you're already close to $500. Sunday morning, starting 9 a.m. Here's a method most people have never heard of: content flipping. Businesses, bloggers, and website owners constantly need fresh articles, blog posts, and website copy. Go to Upwork and search for content writing jobs. Filter by jobs posted in the last 24 hours. Apply to 10 jobs with a simple professional proposal. Use AI to help you write faster and better. The average content writing job pays $30 to $100 per article. If you land just 3 jobs and complete them Sunday, that's $90 to $300 in one day. Combined with everything else you started Saturday, you're hitting that $500 target. One freelancer used this exact strategy and made $420 in their very first weekend using nothing but free tools and their laptop. Sunday afternoon, 1 p.m. This final method is the fastest way to make premium money this weekend. AI consulting. Businesses everywhere are desperate to understand how AI can save them time and money, but they don't know where to start. That's where you come in. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to know more than they do. Spend 2 hours Saturday learning the top 5 ways businesses can use ChatGPT to save time. Then offer 30-minute consultation calls for $50 each on Calendly, completely free to set up. Post about it on LinkedIn and Facebook. Just 5 calls over the weekend equals $250. And here's the beautiful thing. Most clients will want to book you again the following week. What started as a weekend side hustle becomes a recurring monthly income stream. Let's add up your potential weekend earnings. Fiverr gigs, $75 to $150. Digital products, $85 to $170. Social media management, $150 to $300. Content flipping on Upwork, $90 to $300. AI consulting calls, $150 to $250. Weekend total, $550 to $1,170. And the best part? Every single one of these income streams continues making money. After the weekend is over, your Fiverr gigs keep getting orders. Your digital products keep selling. Your social media clients keep paying monthly. Your Upwork profile keeps attracting jobs. What you build this weekend doesn't disappear Monday morning. It grows. Here is your exact action plan. Friday night, create your Fiverr account and Gumroad account. Set everything up so you're ready to go Saturday morning. Saturday morning, launch your Fiverr gig and list your first digital product. Saturday afternoon, reach out to 20 businesses on Instagram. Saturday evening, apply to 10 content writing jobs on Upwork. Sunday morning, set up your consulting offer on Calendly and post about it. Sunday afternoon, follow up with everyone you contacted. By Sunday night, you will have multiple income streams running simultaneously, and at least some of them will have already made you money. The only question is, are you going to take action this weekend or keep watching videos about making money without actually doing it? So there you have it. A complete step-by-step blueprint to make $500 this weekend with zero investment. Let me recap the 5 methods quickly. Number 1, Fiverr freelancing. Number 2, digital products on Gumroad. Number 3, social media management outreach. Number 4, content flipping on Upwork. Number 5, AI consulting calls. Pick all 5 for maximum results or focus on just 2 if you prefer. Either way, take action this weekend. Don't watch this video and do nothing. The difference between people who make money online and people who don't is simply action. If this video helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe to Wealth Flip, because tomorrow we're dropping a video on the 5 passive income ideas that make money while you sleep. Comment below and tell me which method you're starting with. I read every single comment. See you tomorrow.